Z6 II, the 85mm 1.8, the 50mm 1.8, the macro lens 105mm 2.8, the 24 to 70 2.8, the 70 to 200 2.8, and the 14mm 2.8 also with the Yongnuo flash, and the wireless microphone from Rode, the Rode Wireless Go. I will be taking also the DJI Action 2 as well as the DJI Osmo Action, the first version, the Insta360 ONE X2, bunch of batteries for all my camera gears. I'll be taking some small tripods, some tabletop tripods for vlogging, to make some vlogs, and I will be taking also with me the Sony ZV-1 that I'm filming with now. My plane is in about 3 hours from now, so I have to wait. I have meanwhile a photo shoot with Georgette. I'll put a link of her Instagram in the description below. She's a perfect makeup artist in Lebanon, and now she's in Paris, so we will do some photos here in the train station, and then I'll be going to Cannes. Meanwhile, I have to wait till she arrives, and then we'll start the photo shoot. By the way, I'm not sure about the audio quality because I'm filming with the DJI Action 2 that I got recently to replace my GoPro Hero 10, which overheats a lot. So I returned it and I got the DJI Action 2. I'm in the testing phase now, so I hope that the quality is good. I'm filming at 4K 25 frames per second with the horizon balance or something like that, HB for horizon leveling. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm good. So now I'm just filming some rushes to make a vlog about my trip to Cannes.
To Cannes, yeah. So between your trip to Cannes, we wanna get a very digital shoot.
Yalla, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we did 3 outfits in about 1 hour of time. It was very fast.
Yeah, it was very fast, and I really enjoyed, and I liked the photo, and hope you liked too.
Stay tuned. Finally arrived to Cannes. Now I have to take the Uber to meet the group and have some dinner. It was the first time for me to visit Cannes. I've never been there before, although I visited the Côte d'Azur a few years ago. I really enjoyed walking on the coast side in the morning. It is very refreshing being near the sea and listen to the sound of the waves. I couldn't discover the city very well because I was there as a photographer and videographer during the MIPIM event. It is an international meeting about real estate. It was a very nice experience for me, from which I learned a lot. During my stay in Cannes, I had the chance to meet and photograph Magda and Alexandra from Poland. Go check their Instagram account, they have an amazing feed. I'll put their links in my description below. On my last night in Cannes, I had the opportunity to do some landscape and street photography. I'm sorry I couldn't film the behind the scenes or headshot rushes, but I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and check my previous videos also. Thank you for watching and see you next week here on YouTube. Ciao!